One of the biggest accident myths is that you have no choice after an accident. Most drivers believe they have to do exactly what they are told. The truth is, you have options. At Elite Motor Solutions, we will guide you through the whole process, give you expert knowledge and advice, and handle everything for you. So if you've had a small bump or scrape, call Elite first.